If you've worked in maintenance or janitorial long enough, you know one thing. Grease, grime, and buildup don't go away easily. Floors, walls, tables, and countertops get real messy real quick. Most cleaners just smear the mess around. You end up scrubbing twice as hard to get half the results. Task, or Total All Surface Cleaner, is a heavy-duty cleaner and degreaser made to cut through all of it fast. Not watered down, not surface level, just reliable cleaning power that does the job right the first time. Here's a real example. We've got a greasy, dirty surface. Spray Task on it directly and let it sit for about 30 seconds to a minute. You'll start to see the grime lift right up. Wipe it once and the difference is obvious. Use it on countertops, chairs, even on glass. It dries clean and streak-free. And unlike harsh chemicals, Task won't dry out the materials or cause cracking over time. Instead, it'll leave behind a pleasant scent that proves just how clean your facility is. Stop wasting your time needlessly scrubbing and get an industrial strength fix like Task. Visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to start on the path toward easily clean surfaces today.